Zamboanga. Expect the pace to be frenetic when it comes to Zamboanga Master Sardines, and Adi Santos. That's into David Velves. Pinapatay ni JC Marcelino, lost it to JC. And here comes Zamboanga.
Fast break, boys.
Mariliagas. Oh, another miscue. It's a JC Marcelino. JC recovers the loose ball. Marcelino finds JV inside.
JV Marcelino.
Back out to JV Marcelino. JV swings it over to Naive. JC with a runner. Llerena. Delis fires a three. That's good. RJ Delis. Santos inside. Lost it. JC Marcelino for three. Yes. On the offensive rebound, on the reload. Yu gets to the middle. Velves scores. Naive able to recover. Cyrus Llerena gets to the loose ball. Here he comes. And he gets the basket to drop. Kasi hirap kasi makashoot din against Zamboanga. Here's JV Marcelino. Off balance layup. No problem.
Nagawan pa rin yun ng paraan yun, no? Wala na siya sa balance, 4 points for JV Marcelino.
Oh, Mark Yu.
81 versus 3.
Alas spins. Nice. Kulang yung pektos niya. Republico gets the rebound. Joey Barcoma turns on the Jets and puts it in.
Wow. Talagang scorer nun.
Well, that was in high school or in college?
College. College
Okay,
na kami nag-abot.
It's Republico. And so Sobido. Sobido, jumper is good. Able to cross half court. Plenty of time here. Casajero stepping through. Yes!
Good read. Walang yung babatakin niya yung laro niya. Talagang all out.
All out. Ano yan eh? Go hard lagi. As Omega scores underneath. Yan yung yan ko siya nakilala actually.
And as a player, you would want to be like that, eh. Parang walang
Hopefully he'll be fine. Mahari. That's a great steal and a finish. It's a team that's going to work hard on both ends of the floor. 7 steals for Zamboanga. Chris Xavier knocks down the jumper. Double team comes. Gabayni and to sneak his way in. Ang tapik napunta kay Terzo. The kick out to Mahari. He'll take the three and knock it down.
It's not a bow and arrow celebration.
Kakaiba din yan. Gallego to Javier. Nice ball fake. Three-pointer para kay Javier.
Again.
It's down to 10 points ang lamang ng Zamboanga. Here's Terzo. Marcelino from the corner. Yes! For Publico. Has a mismatch. Publico. Punta kay JV Marcelino ang pasa and he scores. Ano naman lumobo lamang dito. And they complete the steal. Terzo to JC Marcelino. Comment sa atin eh. Actually, nakakapagod kalaban itong Zamboanga talaga. And inside, Robbie Naive scores against Zamboanga. Go. Lost it to JV. Another turnover. JC back to JV. The extra pass. Adi Santos puts it in.
Wow.
Since medyo bago ka dito, sino si JC at si JV?
Yun nga yung gusto ko tanong. Paano nyo na-differentiate?
Lordy. Nice pass inside. Kakapasok lang yan ni John Rojas. First 2 points. Naive misses. JV Marcelino on the stick back. Finish with the left hand. Solis to Marcelino. Alas to Subido. Textbook fast break.
Para lang sila nag-fast.
So boils down to conditioning. Para masabayan mo tong Zamboanga. They look like they are in really good shape as JV Marcelino.
11 points rather for JV Marcelino.
Marvin Lee against Barcoma. Shoves him away. And here's Zamboanga playing with a lot of pace. 52-35. Sobido from the corner. Sa backcourt nila. But Marcelino read that. And JC will score. 61-39. Gabaini loves the contact and puts it in for 2.
Zone defense.
JV. Jumper. No. Publico. Gabaini. Yes.
That's one of the
Gabaini. Publico. Underneath. Yes.
good read.
Gallego. Met by Publico. Gallego makes his move. Javier is open. The extra pass. Arena for 3. Yes.
Good basketball shown by.
Quality look.
Yes. If you have 2 men in front of you, you have to give that ball up.
JC gets that one off the glass. And Mark Omega and Joey Barcoma for Zamboanga. Deles. Nice. Llerena knocks down the 3. Bicol. 8 points for Llerena. Omega takes it out to Sobido. Sagot naman ng 3.
Binawi.
Omega keeps possession to Barcoma, and he sinks that one-hander. Lee against Barcoma.
Kanina pa sila nagmamamaan.
And 1 for 2 rather. 26 ang kalamangan dito. Deles makes his move. Trying to find Parillagas, but that pass telegraphed by J-Boy Solis. Alas will finish. Now see Joey Barcoma trying to make a name for himself. Omega. Back to Terzo. Barcoma. Uses the pick. And it's taken away by Llerena. Lee will finish. Kay Marvin Lee. Alas to Barcoma. Terzo fires a 3. That's short. Llerena will lead the break. Binigay muna kay Marvin Lee. He'll take the 3. That's good.
Wow.
Mega beating Llagas. The other side of the court. 21 points yung kalamangan. Alanes makes his move. Pinilit. Casajeros. Basket and 1.
Bait ko daw, ganun. Mas mabait daw ako off court.
Pero wala eh. Dati, iba talaga eh. As Shaq Alanes rings the bell for Bicol. The worst quarter as well for Zamboanga, scoring-wise. Marcelino, dire-diretso.
Team, parang ikaw, ang hirap naman ito.
Casajeros. Yes. Under 9 minutes remaining. Terzo. Andy Santos. They swing it over to Kenneth Alas. JC Marcelino all day to shoot. Off to the left. Marcelino, Bumuelo. And he gets it to go this time. Mahari. JC Marcelino. Umatake. JC again. Go. Here's John Mahari. All alone. Another turnover. JC Marcelino. 89-68. 26, 22.
Walang pilit na galaw itong Zamboanga. And they're just distributing the ball. Kung sino yung libre, siya yung titira.
Lee. Three-pointer is good. Marvin Lee. Fires the shot off the glass and in. On in Naive. Last 2 minutes brought to you by GameX. Celestino scores. Well, we have to, you know, kailangan din naman na marami din naman kasi sumusuporta at nanonood eh. As Marvin Lee goes up against Celestino, trying to extricate himself. Oh, 24. Must be the shoes, huh? Marvin Lee. Subido.
Kobe.
Naive back out to Subido for three. Yes.
Pinawi.
Reunion on that Zamboanga bench.
Letran 9.
Oo, Letran. Alanes. You. With Deles. Sajeros. Alanes for three. That's good. Lead at 15, and it looks like it will stay that way.
Subido, pinapatapos na lang yung laro.
Oh, and
We have to give credit. Where credit is due. JC